Hello everybody, welcome to this brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download video from Facebook. Now I'm using Bitmark. So what I'm gonna do, I also download this video. So what I'm gonna do is right click, show video URL, yeah, and then I'm gonna copy. Now there are two so there are some other sites that you can use to download video, so I'll post all the site below. So what I'm gonna use here, I'm gonna come here, go ahead, Beat downloader, which is Facebook downloader. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paste the URL there, and I'm gonna click download. There are two sites, but I'll just show you about this one. So now you see you have high resolution. I'm gonna click download. So here, so I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna just click post, and I'll come here. I'll click here download. You see it is downloading. Another site here. This one I'm gonna post the same link to show you. I'm gonna click download. Here's another site, FB down. So here you have two videos. You have here download 4K or download HD. So I'm gonna take download HD. You can play around with it. So let's see how it's gonna. I've never used this site. I used to use the first one. It's telling me shit. Whoa. What the hell is going on? Let me clear. What the hell is going on? It's like this size making drama. Oh no. There's something going on. Okay, now you can try this one on your own bed. I'll show you this side. You see it is downloading. Let us just give it a couple of, this side is downloading. Let us just give a couple of seconds and see. So but I'll put the two link down below. You can try it around for yourself. You don't want to make the video to belong. So I can see, let me just try to explain one more time on the other side. So this is another side. You just paste the link down below. This is the same side. You paste the link down below. Let me explain it one more time again. You click download. My internet is a little bit slow. And as you stay at home, be careful for the corona. Take care of yourself. Oh, look like something went wrong. Oh wow. Yeah, so this is it. You have here HD, you have here SD, so you can choose the format and then you just click download. So I already choose HD, so this is it downloading. So this one is 362 MB, 54 MB. Wow, let me just take this one, SD. Let me take SD. This is SD. HD is too big. So let me take MB. Let me take this one. My internet is a little bit slow. Come on, do it fast, download fast, man. So don't always forget to choose the size. Generating download link this way. Yeah, so don't always forget. So to me, I'll rather take this one. 54.13 MB. This one 362.19 MB. So don't always forget to choose the size. the size that matter. And then let us go down here. This 74 is audio only 9 MB. The download is a little bit slow, but I think you got the idea. So let me pause this one, and then let me take yeah, this is one that is downloading. So let's just wait this one to download. Maybe I'll go a little bit fast. Then I've paused this one. So don't always forget to check the size. I cannot go back there again, so don't always forget to check the size. Come on, do it fast, man. Oh my God. So this one failed. Open it into us. Wow. Open in 1 hour. Are you kidding me? Open when complete. So okay guys, I'm not gonna take much of your time to wait for the download. So that is how you download a video on Facebook. So I should not make the video to be too long. Just follow the process. You paste it, and then you click download. It will just show you this page. From there you can just select the file that you want to download. Because that, as you can see, this is the one that I just downloaded today from Facebook. So this is it.
Out there on.
So it is not like a magic. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video, and up to there, see you. If you're new on this channel, please do subscribe. Until there, see you.